All right, welcome to lesson 4 of this unit about patterns. This one we're just going to be looking at a couple word problems. So for this one, suppose the library lends a book out for free, charges 50 cents. This is the situation that we're looking at. And this would be an example of how to just kind of set up a problem right here. So if we wanted to do this, and most of you could look at it and say, all right, for the first week, it's nothing. And then you're going to charge 50 cents. So if it's 8 days, you're only going to charge 50 cents. If it's 10 days, you'll get charged 15 cents. And you're taking that away from the 7 days and multiplying by 50 cents. So if you want to turn that into an equation, you can use this similar idea and just say, well, 0.5 times the number of days minus 7. And that will give you the fine. How much will they do if they kept it for 30 days? Again, you can either use this equation or do it on your own. I'm going to use actually f of x for the fine as a function of x, just a slightly different notation. 30 minus 7, which if you go over here, 5 times, and it gives you $1.15. Now the next problem here, slightly different problem, really kind of going along the same route of a couple different ways to solve it, but I'm just going to show you with the table. So for here in Victor, it costs $1 each song. So let's say this is like iTunes versus Android. This is going to be $10. This is going to be $20. This is going to be $50, etc. For Pittsford, it's going to be 0 for the first 50 songs, and then $1.50 for each after. So 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, then $1.50 here times this 50. So $1.50 times 50 songs, and here you're going to get charged 75 bucks for these other additional songs, where this will be charged 100. So again, you'll notice here it starts out with nothing and then it jumps up to 75 bucks because these are more per song, but you get a bunch free. Over here, you're just getting charged $1 a piece. So again, over here, you're 150 bucks and 250 bucks for 250 songs. Over here, the first 50 were free, so you're only paying for 100 more songs. So this is $150. And this one you're paying for 200 songs, and 200 times $1.50 is going to be 300 bucks. So basically what it's saying is, if you have to use this one, if you're not going to get many songs, it'd be okay to use Pittsford. If you're going to get a bunch of songs, you'll notice eventually, even though the Pittsford gives you a bunch for free, in the long run, Victor is going to be cheaper if you put a lot of songs on your. So with that being said, good luck. Hope it helps.